Hi everyone, this is Mar Haddad here. Today I'm going to do a video about a very nice product that I have found it on Amazon, which is called Villo. So this is Villo. It's a wireless access point provide for you for your home network wireless. So I have bought it online from Amazon, and I'm going to show you how you can buy it. This is ideal for users who want to deploy internet at home. So it doesn't require to do a lot of configuration. You will see now with this video, I will show you the steps that you need to do, and then you have internet at your home. And guess what? On both band, on the 2.4 gigahertz and on the 5 gigahertz. So you can also do, if you want some guest network, to allow some guests coming to you to open for them for a couple of hours access to the internet. Also, you can use it for parental security. So that means in case your kids, you don't want them to connect to the internet more than like 2 hours per day, then you can open for their MAC address of their device like 2 hours of internet connectivity, and that can go to the internet. So this one comes with 3 ports over here, as you can see. So you have the ports which are the first port here. It is the WAN, and also you can use it as LAN, but this is where you can put your cable from your modem, which is coming from your ISP. You put it here, and you have 2 over here LAN ports, and this is the port for the power, and the adapter which comes with this one is the adapter. So this is you plug it into the access point, and this is the adapter. Now the adapter is a US category. So me, I'm living in the Netherlands, so this doesn't work at my power at home. So I had to buy this converter to convert from the US to the EU. So this also, I bought it from Amazon. So just to put it like this, then I can put it inside the power outlet to be able to power on the Villo. Now, Villo comes with you can buy only one device, or you can buy a pack of 3 devices. And I will show you in a moment what is the price for this. I bought for 3 devices because if I want to use it at home, I want to cover all my house. Also, it comes with a cable which is RJ45. So this cable RJ45, you plug it into the ISP modem or the router, and then you plug one of it over here. So the other side, you plug it into the WAN port over here. And this WAN port has the DHCP enabled by default. So it just get directly the internet connectivity. Now, before we start digging into the configuration, I just want to show you where you can buy the Villo. And I'm gonna tell you that I'm not getting anything if you buy it from Amazon. I don't get any percentage for me. I'm just showing you because I found it. This is a very nice device, especially for people who want internet at home without a lot of complication of making configuration. So you don't need to do any configuration. You will see that you will do it from your phone. Just double click and that's it. So let me show you directly on Amazon website where you can buy it and what is the price of Vilo Mesh. So if you go to Amazon.com and we just search for Vilo Mesh Wi-Fi, you see that the price is really amazing, like very cheap. So what I got is this one. The Vilo Mesh Wi-Fi system dual band. So dual band, that means it works on 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. And it gives you a coverage up to 4,500 square feet. And it comes with 3 pack. So if you want, I can just show you. This is the box that I have received. So this is the box which shows over here 3 pack. And inside of it, I have now 2 pack here because I have taken 1 out. So this is how it comes in a small box. And look at the price, $79 US.99. Really, really cheap. I mean, you can put internet at your home using the latest 802.11 AC 5 gigahertz and only for $79.99. And look at the review over here. You can see that the review is 4 stars over 5, which is also very good. I mean, of course, you cannot convince everyone that this is a very nice product, but I tried it and it's really nice. And you can see it is near now as Amazon's choice. So wherever you are, you can buy it. So I'm living in the Netherlands and I bought it from Amazon.com, which is in the United States, and I have received it without any problem because on Amazon.nl I couldn't find it, which is Amazon for the Netherlands. Now this is the one if you want to buy it. Now, if you want to have Villo with the 4 the packs, then you can buy that one, which is now making discount. You can get it 99.99. So now we understand where to buy the Vilo Mesh. I'm not sure if you can buy one device. It used to be possible, but I'm looking now on the internet. I didn't find that they are selling only one device. I don't think so. If it's, I'm not sure if it's available anymore or not. But anyway, now we understand what is Villo. If you do the configuration on one of the devices, the same configuration can be done on the others. That's not a problem. Now, let's go directly and start doing a lab to connect this Villo to the internet and then to share the internet via wireless and to see what we can do on the configuration. Alright, so now what I did, I just put over here the power. This is the power. So I just powered on the device and I put the cable which is coming from my home router, which is the ISP, and you can see it has now a solid color, so that means this is now powered on. So I'll put it here on the table, and now all we need to do is to go to the phone, because all the configuration will be done from the phone as being a home device, so they make it as simple as possible to not be very complicated for users. So I will go from my phone now. And let's open my phone so you can see what I'm doing. So over here on the Play Store or whatever, you can use the iPhone and you can use the Android. Both of them work. So look for Vilo Mesh. And here we go. You can see this is the application. I just want to install it on my phone. So we wait for this to be installed. And once it is installed, we need to add the Villo device that we have just powered it on. So let's wait until this is finished. And then we go to this application and we can see over there what we can do. So I have installed the application. Let's open it now. You see it's straightforward. First of all, they ask you to have a username and password. If you don't have a username and password, you just click on sign up. You just put your email and the password, and then you will get a code to your email. You just enter it and that's it. So then you have an account. In my case, I already have an account. I will put it fast and then we see what we have to do in the next step. So here I have logged in into my account. Now all I need to do is to say add Villo. So I just click on it, and here they give you the steps that you need to do, because they think that you are not really an engineer, you're just someone who doesn't have experience with IT. Then they just show you what are the steps that you need to do. So you put the power, you put the Ethernet cable, that's something we have already done. Then next you put the power on the outlet. Then next, and then the cable has to go to the modem, also next. This is how it looks at the end, very good. And then next. And now they say to you, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi, because now, believe it or not, the Villo device is broadcasting a Wi-Fi. And what is the Wi-Fi which is broadcasting? There is something, you can read it here on the bottom of the Villo. It shows you here on a sticker over here what is the Wi-Fi name and what is the password. So what I need to do now to make it easy, I will connect to Wi-Fi. And here we go. You see this is Villo underscore 0137. So if I look here under, I will see that this is the Wi-Fi name that is shown for me on the bottom of the Villo device. So I'll click on it. And normally it should ask for the password, but because I connect to it before, so it looks like it's not asking for the password. Because it has the password already saved. But you can see that the password also is showing up directly to you on the stickers. Why it's called Wi-Fi password on the second line. So here we go. I'm connected now to Villo. Yeah, excellent. So that is all what I need to do. Now we go back, and now it says to you on the application, it's connected to Villo. Do you want to add this to your account? This device, I'll say yes. Add it to this account. So it takes like 30 seconds to add this device to your account. And then when it is on your account, then you can see what you can do. You don't have a lot of options, of course, to do many things. But yeah, there are some limited things that you can do, and I'm going to show it to you at this moment. The first thing you can do is to edit the Wi-Fi settings. So if you want to change the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password, you can do it from here. So just go inside and just put the Wi-Fi name that you want, and same for the Wi-Fi password. I'm not gonna do anything like this now. So we go to it, and here we go. We can see that we have now the Villo, the device, the parental controls, the guest Wi-Fi, and the usage report, and the restart Wi-Fi. So the Villos is the devices that you are having on your account. At this moment, I do have only one. Then the second one, which is over here, the devices, is the device which is connected to this Villo. So at this moment, my phone, which is the Galaxy Note 8, it is connected to this Villo on the Wi-Fi. So it shows over here. Alright, so this is more information to see. It's connecting to 5 gigahertz. Also, you can see what IP it has, what MAC address it has, how much upload download is doing at this moment. Now, the nice thing that I like it on the Villo device is the guest Wi-Fi. Say that you have some guests coming to you and you don't want them to go to your main Wi-Fi password or network. So what you can do, you can just create a guest Wi-Fi and just enable guest Wi-Fi. Just wait for it. And now you have here the Villo 10137 guest 5 gigahertz. And you can put the password and you can say how long they can stay connected. So you can just adjust that if you want it to be for 3 hours, for 6 hours. So that means they can connect to your wireless for 3 hours or 6 hours or forever or whatever you want to do. So then in this case, they are not really connected to your main Wi-Fi. They are connected to a guest Wi-Fi, which is something very nice. Now, the other thing that I like also on Villo, you can see those are the small things that you can do. So the parental controls. The parental controls means that if you have some kids that you don't want them to be connected all the time to the internet. So say that my Galaxy Note 8 is a phone for my kids. So let's say for my daughter, right? So I just say add a device and I say, all right, this Galaxy Note 8, I want now to allow him to get access to the internet, or I want to disable access now. So say you are telling to your child, stop playing games on the internet, and he doesn't listen to you. Just go there and then to his device, disable access now. He doesn't have internet. That's it. Or what you can do also schedule off time. So meaning that you can create a schedule. You can say that I want him to be able to connect to the internet every day for 2 hours. So here you can say from, say, for example, let's do it in the afternoon from 17 hours until 19 hours. And we want to make it daily. So this happens daily or custom. Here you can just choose which days of the week. So I'm going to make it daily now to make it easy. And then you say, okay, then this device will be connected only to the internet from 17 hours to 19 hours every day. I'm not going to make now, okay, because this is my device now, which is connected to the Villo. And the last thing that Villo provides you some very simple content firewall where you can block some website. Now, this doesn't really work for the HSTS websites like YouTube or Facebook, but some other websites which are using HTTP and HTTPS, it can work. So it means that if you want to block some websites, you go there and you write the website that you want to block it for the person who has this device, then he doesn't go to the website. So here they tell you, you just write example.com. So you just write the website that you want, and then you say, okay, then this website will not be accessible from this device anymore. Now, the last thing that you can do over here is the usage report. This one needs to be enabled. And once you enable it, it needs a couple of hours to be showing for you the information. But this will show you what are the usage that are happening on your device. And at the end, you have the restart Wi-Fi. If you click on it, you just say restart Wi-Fi, say that your Wi-Fi is not working properly, then you can just restart it. So those are the settings that you can do from your phone, and you can see straightforward. It's not very difficult, and it works perfectly. Now, before I end this video, I just want to show you something about the two band that I told you that Villo works on 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So I have this application. So you can see now I have Villo Guest 5G and Villo 137, so two wireless, and this is on the 2.4 gigahertz. What you see now is the 2.4 gigahertz. If we go to the 5 gigahertz, look, we have also Villo, we have the Guest, and we have also the normal one. But I'm not sure why it shows the Guest because I didn't enable it. Let's go back over here and check the guest. Oh yeah, we enable it. So now if I disable it, I don't want to have guest. We can see only one chart, which is our main Wi-Fi. So it takes a bit of time to take out the guest one, but yeah, you know how to do it. I just wanted to show you that it works on the dual band. Now what else we can do over here? Now if we want to go to the system dashboard, then you can see what is the firmware. So it is the latest version now. It uses also the encryption WPA2. You can see WPA2 is really nice. It says to you that the Wi-Fi interference is very low, so you got some information over here. Alright, excellent. So that's what I wanted to show here. Now this is Villo. If you want to add a new device, you just add a new device and it will synchronize with your Villo, and then it works without any problem. Alright, so this is all what I wanted to show you about Villo, but I just want to show you one more thing. Is to add a new device. Let's add a new device to see how the mesh can happen. So let's just get another device and put it on the power and add it to see how it works. So here I have added the second device. All I needed to do just to put the device on power, and that's it. Then you will see that the LED will go from yellow to blue, solid blue, and then in a sudden you will see it directly showing up on your phone over here. So you can see that if we go now to Villo, Villo's over here, you see that there is a second device. So this is the second device that I have now, which is called Villo_2B. And over here you can check that it has already connected to your Villo. So in case, for example, you are at home and you put one on the first floor and you want to put another one on the second floor, then you just put it on power and that's it. It will synchronize with the main one and then it can provide for you wireless to the second floor. So you can see that the connection type is wireless, the connection is strong, and yeah, that's all you need to do. And you can see it's called sub Villo because it's not the main one. The main one is this one, which is the main Villo. So it would take the same configuration from the main one as for the Wi-Fi. So if you want, I can just show you. If we go, let's go to the Wi-Fi here. So you can see now because they are both connected next to each other. So, but you see only one. You will see that one wireless, which is called Villo_137. If I want to, let's say, disconnect, let's go to another network that I have, another wireless, and I will try to connect to that one. So we are connected to Villo_137. So now if we go to the application, we can see that we are connected to the main device. In case you are in, for example, another place that you are in you have a big house, you put it on the second floor, for example, then you connect to the one which is the sub Villo. Alright, so that's all what you need to do for the Villo. It's not really difficult. You can see here, we can just say this device is on which place. Is it living room, dining room, kitchen, whatever. So over here, you can put the information. So this is all what I wanted to show you about Vilo Mesh. You can see it's a very nice device, especially it is for home. So this doesn't really work for offices and big offices. Maybe small office could be okay, but it's mainly focusing for homes. And the price is very cheap. You can get it really very, very cheap price, and it makes a very good function. You have dual band, you're using WPA2 as security. So everything is fine and everything is controlled from your phone. So I hope that this video was informative for you, and I will see you in some other videos.